We're here in front of Seaborg Memorial in Norfolk, Virginia. This is a company that actually contracts us out to do a lot of work for them. As far as their monuments, tombstones, mausoleums, we've been dealing with them for the last several years now. We've formed a great relationship with them. We're going to show you a stone that we're going to do for them today. So this is pretty much the headstone we're going to work on today. See all the problem areas on it? Like I said, we're going to show you afterwards how it looks. Right now we're in the process of applying our chemical, which is safe on all natural stones.
You ready?
Right about now we're going to actually rinse off the product that we applied. Sometimes you have to repeat it more than once. But once we rinse it, we'll take a look at it. If the process needs to be repeated, we'll do it again until we get it right. So as you can see, we finally got the stone finished. This is not bad for a stone that's over 30 years old. So anytime you need us, give us a call at 757-672-0842. Thank you. We're here today, we're going to do these praying hands. This is a piece out here at a monument in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We're basically dealing with mold issues. And what we're going to do is walk you through the process of us cleaning it off. See, we got the final product. We'll walk you around, show you where the algae and the mold was. And as you can see for yourself, it's off. We're going to show you another piece as well, so stay tuned. As you can see behind us, we have a monument of the shepherd and the problem areas of our algae. And we're going to walk you around it, show you the problem areas. We're also going to walk you through the process of us actually cleaning it. As you can see, we have problem areas right here, also among the brick. So stay tuned and watch us fulfill this process. Product. We basically pressure washed it. We put our products up there, scrubbed it, and here's the final product. This is what it looks like. We're going to take you for a walk around and let you have a look for yourself. As you can see, we not only did the actual monument of Christ, but we also did the bricks as well, and even around the base of it. A lot of times when you do this, this makes the features stand out a lot, and people really appreciate it when they come out and take a look. So for all your pressure washing needs, give us a call at 757-672-0842. That's Divine Touch Detailing. Thank you for tuning in.